Good morning Year 3, it's Thursday the 21st of May. Today's maths activity is I understand capacity and volume and I can read a scale. Have a look at these following words. Do you know what these words mean? Millilitres, litres, capacity, intervals, volume. Have a think, have you seen these words before? Do you know what they are? These are the words, this is our new vocabulary that we're going to use over the next few days and understand what these are. When we find out the amount of liquid there is in a container, we measure using millilitres and litres. Now, does anyone know how many millilitres are in 1 litre? Millilitres being the smaller unit of measurement than litres. How many millilitres are there in 1 litre? 1,000 millilitres is the same as 1 litre. Now, capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. If the capacity of the bottle is 2 litres, it cannot hold more than that amount of liquid. If the container is 1 litre, then it cannot hold more than that amount of liquid. Volume is the amount of liquid actually in a container. So you can see here that the capacity of this container is 10 litres, but the volume is 4 litres. Have a go yourself at reading the capacity and volume of each of these containers and liquids. Look at the intervals before you do that. Pause the video, have a go, and then check back in. So the capacity of the first container is 1 litre. The volume of liquid is 500 millilitres. The capacity of the second container is 1 litre. The volume of liquid is 700 millilitres. The capacity of the third container is 1 litre and the volume of liquid is 300 millilitres. So the capacity of this container is 500 millilitres and the volume of the liquid is 100 millilitres. What's the capacity of this container and what's its volume? Read the increments, think of it as a number line. What do you think the volume of this liquid is? So the capacity of the container is 250 millilitres and the volume of liquid is 75 millilitres because it's halfway between 50 and 100. The capacity of the container is 1,000 millilitres, which is also the same as 1 litre. And the volume of liquid is, what do you think? 400 millilitres, that's right. The capacity of the container is, you read that, 250 millilitres, which actually is the same capacity as that one. And then the volume of liquid, can you read the increments there? So 50 is marked and then 70 is marked, and it's halfway between 50 and 70. So what do you think the volume of liquid is? That's right, 60 millilitres. Okay, apart from the two containers in the middle that both have the same capacity of 250 millilitres, all these containers have different capacities, but they've all got something in common. Can you have a think or have a look carefully about what you think that is? They all look different to me, don't they? But they've all got one thing in common, apart from that they're all containing water. I know that. All the containers have a volume of 100 millilitres. Now it's your turn, Year 3. Either spend some time looking at the capacities of bottles in your home or use a measuring jug to measure different volumes and what these look like in different capacity of containers. Or complete the activities on the sheet following the Do It, Twist It, Solve It challenges.